Sophie Howard's Kindle Publishing Income course offers a structured approach to self-publishing on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. It's aiming to help individuals generate passive income. While the course provides comprehensive content and tools, it's essential to weigh its benefits against the potential drawbacks. Some of the pros I can tell you is that it has comprehensive training, it has positive testimonials, and Sophie Howard's experience as a successful self-published author and Amazon seller brings practical insight to the program. Now, for the con, it is extremely pricey, right? It's priced at approximately $2,000. Although the course represents a significant investment, especially considering additional expenses for book creation and marketing. So what I mean by that is that you have to pay for the course for around $2,000. And then after, if beyond that, you'll still need to pay for your publishing, and also you'll need to pay for your books material to actually get printed. Now, it has mixed reviews as well. Feedback varies across platforms, and Trustpilot shows a 4.1 rating. But discussion on Reddit and Quora highlight concerns about support quality and effectiveness of the content. There is a refund policy of a 180-pack money-back guarantee, and there's some marketing tactics as well. Now, for my final verdict, Kindle Publishing Income is a legitimate course offering valuable insight into Amazon KDP. However, its high cost and mixed user experience suggests that potential students should carefully consider their goals and resources before enrolling. Exploring a free resource and starting with smaller project might be a prudent step before committing to such an investment. $2,000 is a lot of money.